I'm here at Rancho Texas Lanzarote to see all the new attractions they've got. Let's go for a full tour. I'm going to show you new slides, new animals, new enclosures, new shows, and, well, it's the #1 attraction here on the island of Lanzarote. It's Rancho Texas. So let me show you one of the best views in the Rancho Texas Park. Straight through this mouth, and you wait for this. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. So one of the first places you're going to come to is the Reptilarium, and I tell you what, you can see, well, as the name suggests, quite a few reptiles. Come on, I'll show you. Here we go, look. You got some huge iguanas in here. He's a big old boy, he is. Kimono dragon. Not everywhere in the world you can get as close as this to one, is there? Look at that. Absolutely incredible. I wouldn't like to get on the wrong side of him, would you? So another one of the main attractions here are the white tigers. There we go, look. Absolutely magnificent. Here he comes. He might be coming over to see Mr. Traveller. I reckon he's after one of them luggage labels. What do you think? He wants my face on his case. Look at that, he's coming straight over to me. Bless him, look at that. Absolutely incredible. Found something a little bit more interesting. Oh, look at that. He's showing me his teeth. And there you go, look. He's opted for a little seat in the shade. What a magnificent creature. So you have got all the shows here at Rancho Texas as well. I'm going to put the times up. Now today we're not doing the shows. I've done a video showing you the shows. We are going to have a look at the parrots because that's a new enclosure. That's something new. Remember, this video is about all the new things at Rancho Texas. I've done quite a few videos on this place because it is the #1 attraction in Lanzarote. It's just fantastic. And every year they build and bring something new. So you can come back time and time again, and every time you do, there'll be something different. But the times of the shows, I'm going to put them up so you'll be able to see exactly. And then you can plan your day around that, can't you?
So everything's signposted and really easy to find your way around. There's lots of different activities for kids as well, from your kayaking, and everywhere you look is just pristinely clean and just a beautiful place to relax and have a wander around. There's even a little zip line, so the kids are going to be entertained looking at the animals. If you've got walking difficulties as well, most of the places are flat, so it's easy to get around. But we're going to head to one of the shows, so let's go and have a look at the parrots.
I'm here outside the Parrot Show, which is another new attraction here at Rancho Texas. It's right behind me. Can you hear them? They're ready to entertain. Let's go see the parrots at Rancho Texas. Come on. So this whole area is brand spanking new, and you all sit around like this, look, and await the show.
There's a great team of staff here and they present all of the shows as well. Now this is the Parrot Show in the new enclosure, and here you can get right up close and personal with these colourful parrots as they fly right above your head. Not only will you see them in flight, but the staff will bring them round for you to meet them. You can even get a photo with the parrots too. And these creatures are super intelligent, and some of the things they do will just have you in awe. They are so clever. So the Parrot Show is just one of the shows that you can do, including the birds of prey, the sea lions and the dolphins. There is so much to do here, but I wanted to show you this one because, well, it's pretty new. And like I've said before, that's what this video is about. What's new at Rancho Texas? Now let's go and see some more animals and see what else they've done here.
So we mentioned shows. They have got a sea lion show here. And if you check my other video, today we actually swam with the sea lions for Alfie's birthday, but that's on another video. But this is where you come to watch the sea lions. Let me show you. So obviously when the show's on, everybody stands around there in the shade and you can watch the sea lion show just here. Really, really cool experience. Lots of fun, and you can have a photo with one of the sea lions as well. So down there is where they do the bird of prey show, and it's an incredible thing to do. You sit around there and the birds literally fly over your head. Now the last time I went there, literally the biggest falcon you could possibly imagine, well, his wing virtually clipped the top of my scalp. That's how close they get, but I tell you what, it's so much fun, and it's just an incredible experience too.
You're going to do loads of exploring here at Rancho Texas, and if you've got kids, well, they're going to get hungry. Now, the food here at Rancho is amazing. It's like a full meal, and the prices are really, really reasonable as well. Now, you can choose to sit in the fast food area. This is actually where they do the nighttime show, the country and western show. It's a huge venue, and you can grab your food here and sit down and eat here. Or, if you fancy something a little bit more comfortable, you can go into the main restaurant. Here, they offer the same food, but it's more of a table service, and there's some nice little places that you can sit and just chill out and relax. It's a little bit more quiet in this area. Once you've placed your order, well, it's quite simple. You get one of these little buzzers, and when it beeps, it's time to go and collect your food. The staff will have it all ready for you, and it's just a case of grabbing all your condiments and heading back to your table. Look at the feast we had. When I say it's fast food, it's certainly fast food with a difference. This was like a full meal, and the food here is just remarkable. And I've said before, price-wise, it's really good value for money for a park. Just look at this food. We had the miner's meal, which was ribs, chicken, coleslaw, potatoes. The kids had spaghetti bolognese, chips, onion rings, and a nice fresh pizza. They were happy, and of course, you couldn't go without washing it down with a big blue slushie. You're not going to go wrong here, and it's going to refuel you for more adventures. Let's go and see what else there is at Rancho Texas.
So with a name like Rancho Texas, well, it's all about the Wild West, and everywhere you go are these huge teepees, and you can come in, chill out, and just get away from the sun. And inside, well, there's some quite interesting things to see. Let me show you. So in here, look, you've got all the feathers, like the tomahawk feathers, and this gives you all the information about the birds of prey. So this particular teepee is right next to the eagle show, and it's just a nice, interesting thing to do. It's also a way to get away from, well, not that you want to, that glorious sunshine. And I tell you what, it's super cool in here. But after a full day walking around the park, seeing all the amazing attractions and the shows, you're gonna want to cool off. And here, there is a full-on water park and more. So come on, let me show you.
Rancho Texas has always had a water park with a couple of slides like these old ones, but the new ones, well, there's not just one, there's 3 brand new huge slides, and they're building more for 2025. So come on, let me show you around, and let's get on these slides, and I'll show you just how fun. This is a great way to chill out and cool down after a long day adventuring.
So let me tell you about the new slides here at Rancho Texas. Well, you've got a full-on splash zone here. I'm going to take you for a wander around, but there are 3 new slides. Well, 2 new slides and essentially a lazy river. You do walk through it, but I'm going to take you on everything. We're going to do the slides, we're going to see the view from the top, and we're also going to see all the new things that they're building as well, because this place by 2025 will be a full-on water park. So come on, let's get splashing. Right then, so this is the new area here. You can walk through there, and these are the brand new slides. You've got 2 huge slides that literally will cascade all the way down there and come out, I'll show you, just around here. Now these are super, super fast slides. You go down on the rings, and when I tell you they're fast, well, take a look at Mr. Travel On. And put your fingers in your ears, because I can guarantee you there's going to be some screaming. I thought this one wasn't dark, he lied to me. Oh my Jesus Christ, and he came out of that. Freaking hell. Oh my God. I don't like this one. That was a complete wipe out at the bottom. Oh, I don't know about that one. I think I prefer the dark one. Oh, loads of fun though. So the one slide that I didn't go on was the toilet slide. Well, I call it the toilet slide. So I sent Alfie with the GoPro down there. But I tell you what, it looks so much fun. But for me, I am not plopping out the bottom of any slide. Look at this. So once you've come down the slide and gone round and round this basin, essentially this is where you plop out. Lots of fun, I'm sure, but I think I'll leave Alfie to do that one. Right then, so during the daytime, this place is busy, 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 but I've left it until the end of the day to come and show you, well, not only this huge, beautiful pool, look at the size of it. It's a big family over there, look, they've had a fantastic day at Rancho Texas, and look at the size of this pool. So you've got a full-on pool area here for the adults and the children as well, and I'm going to show you the children's area because that is just over there. But look how big this place is. And you've got the pool bar just situated at the top, so you can get yourself something to eat and drink and overlook this beautiful place. Right, but don't take my word for it. I've just met Dylan. Where are you from, Dylan?
United Kingdom, England.
United Kingdom, England, Manchester. And have you had a good time here at Rancho Texas?
It's been great, yeah.
What have you been doing?
Slides, animal shows, yeah, sunbathing, swimming. It's all been great.
Fantastic. So would you say it's worth coming to Rancho Texas?
Yes.
Brilliant. Fantastic. Well, there you go. I'm going to give you a little present for saying hello to everyone and telling them how good it is. You're going to get your very own Mr. Travel On sticker. You can have my face on your case.
Yay!
So there are plenty of places for you to sunbathe and plenty of places in the shade. But, well, you do have to get here a little bit early if you want to guarantee a sunbed. But you'll be going up and down the slides anyway and having loads of fun. You can see there's loads of room here as well. So if you've got kids with you, well, this is the main attraction. This is the big splash zone. Ideal for the little ones with lots of little slides and a big bucket at the top, which fills up with water and basically empties right on top of them. It's loads of fun. So these two slides behind me were the first ever slides to be installed at Rancho Texas, and guess who was the very first person ever to slide down them? It was Mr. Travel On. That will go down in the history books. Me and Jack were the first ever people to go down these slides. And that was many, many moons ago. I feel very old.
So how can you get tickets to Rancho Texas? Well, it's simple. Visit our website, travelon.world. You can get your tickets there. Now, a lot of you say, can we just turn up and pay on the day? Well, you can do, but you'll have to go through this entrance. This whole area is brand new as well. Here, it'll take you a little bit more time to go through because you're going to have to purchase your tickets. But if you book them on our website, well, you can book with pickup, you can walk there, you can drive there, and you'll just go straight in. Once you arrive at the park, you'll be met by the fantastic staff who will give you a warm welcome and send you right to the special entrance queue for people with Travel On World tickets. That's right, if you paid in full, you can just breeze straight through. It'll save you time and stress. Now, another brand new thing here at Rancho Texas is the shop. Now, of course, no theme park would be complete without a souvenir shop. Here you can get all your photos and you can buy loads of different things. This is brand spanking new. And just look at it, it is huge. There are so many different things you can get. It's all themed like the Wild Wild West, and I tell you, what do you think to Mr. Travel On getting himself a cowboy hat?
So what do you reckon? Does Mr. Travel On suit being a cowboy? Can you see me in the Wild West? Tell you what, I think I'd fit in well there. Just me and my trusty steed wandering the mountains together with no human interaction. What do you think? So there you go. That was everything that's new here at Rancho Texas Lanzarote Park. It is the #1 attraction in Lanzarote. And if you want tickets, well, it's very simple. Go to www.travelon.world. Get your tickets there. You can get here by bus. You can get here by car. You can get here by foot if you're stopping in Puerto del Carmen. But I tell you what, one thing you do have to do is come here. There is so much to do, from animals to shows to interactive caves. And of course, this beautiful water park. And 2025 is going to bring you even more. Don't forget to watch the full video on Rancho Texas. Don't forget to watch the video of interacting with the sea lions, which you can also book on our website. You can interact with the dolphins. There are so many different things that you can do. So whatever you do at Rancho Texas, I can guarantee you one thing. You're going to have the time of your life. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.